Good morning. Welcome to Arthur's Garden and Life. I was in here this morning in the grow room, and I was noticing when I was watering my zinnias that, I just got watering's always been kind of a problem for me, and working it out as I go. I got inspired to do something a little different this morning. And this is how it goes. I got the zinnias right here. And what I done was I put a hole in there where I could see the water level. And I'll usually spray around the tops. Some of them died or on the way out, but others are thriving. And I want to keep the ones thriving. So I want to be sure that I water well, but not too well. Well, but not too well. Oh, well. So here, what I've done, I've created a hole here that I can see the water level. And if it gets too high, then I can dump some of it out. Or and all you do is take your water thing and you give it a bit of water. In which that little hole there will go down some, but as you can see over on the other end, it's still getting wet. But this is just a short video on watering. Some of my peppers are growing pretty good here. I got a tomato plant that's trying to survive. Of course, I always got celery growing. And I got some lemongrass over here growing. The ginger is doing very well. It's come up. And everything's just doing well. But I just wanted to, because watering's always been a thing, you know, too much water, too less water. And you can kill a few plants by overwatering, as you can see. But the Bible says life and death is in the power of the tongue. And I'm going to do great things. And I'm going to grow great things. And I have confidence in myself. This is Arthur, of Arthur's Garden and Life. Everybody have a blessed day.